Good morning to all. Welcome to GPAT online classes. Today we are going to discuss about adrenergic system. The neurotransmitters of adrenergic system are norepinephrine, or it is also called as noradrenaline, epinephrine or adrenaline, dopamine, and isoprenaline. So what are catecholamines? Catecholamines are the compounds which possess a catechol moiety or a benzene ring with adjacent hydroxy groups and an amide side chain. Norepinephrine, epinephrine, and dopamine are called as catecholamines, and isoprenaline is called as a synthetic catecholamines. Norepinephrine. Norepinephrine or noradrenaline. It is the chief neurotransmitter of adrenergic system. It is released by sympathetic nerve terminals. Epinephrine or adrenaline. Adrenaline is a major hormone secreted by adrenal medulla. Dopamine. Dopamine is the metabolic precursor of epinephrine and norepinephrine. Synthesis of catecholamines. Catecholamines are synthesized from the amino acid called phenylalanine. The biosynthetic pathway initiates with the transport of L-tyrosine into the adrenergic neurons. Steps involved in synthesis of catecholamines. In step 1, tyrosine converted to L-dopa, L-dihydroxyphenylalanine. Tyrosine converted to L-dihydroxy-O-phenylalanine, L-dopa, in the presence of the enzyme tyrosine hydroxylase. This tyrosine hydroxylase is a specific and rate limiting enzyme. This enzyme is inhibited by alpha methyl tyrosinase. Alpha methyl tyrosinase is used in treating patients with pheochromocytoma and to block norepinephrine synthesis. In step 2, L-dopa converted to dopamine in the presence of dopa decarboxylase enzyme, which is inhibited by carbidopa. Step 3, dopamine converted to norepinephrine by oxidation process in the presence of enzyme dopamine beta hydroxylase. Dopamine beta hydroxylase, which is inhibited by disulfiram. Disulfiram is a copper chelating agent. In final step, norepinephrine undergoes methylation process to form epinephrine, and this reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme called phenylethanolamine N-methyl transferase. Phenylethanolamine N-methyl transferase. This enzyme is inhibited by 2,3 dichloromethyl benzylamine. 2,3 dichloromethyl benzylamine. So these are the steps involved in the biosynthesis of catecholamines. This is the diagrammatic representation of synthesis of catecholamines. In this diagram, the tyrosine is converted to dopa. Tyrosine is converted to dopa by hydroxylation process in the presence of enzyme tyrosine hydroxylase. So this is the rate limiting enzyme, and this step is rate limiting step. So this enzyme is inhibited by alpha methyl tyrosinase. Next step, dopa, that is dihydroxy-O-phenylalanine, converted to dopamine by decarboxylation process in the presence of dopa decarboxylase enzyme, that it is inhibited by the carbidopa. In next step, dopamine converted to norepinephrine or noradrenaline by oxidation process in the presence of dopamine decarboxylase enzyme, which is inhibited by the disulfiram. Disulfiram is a copper chelating agent. In next step, norepinephrine converted to epinephrine by methylation process in the presence of phenylethanolamine N-methyl transferase. So this is the biosynthetic pathway of catecholamines. Thank you very much.